Okay.
A moment later, he is at TRCU's window.
Good evening, I'm Deputy Hackler with the Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office. I was pulling you over as you were going a little fast down there on the Arapahoe Road. It's 45 and you're going way fast.
Okay.
Do you know how fast you're going?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
No. Here's my registration license, and I'm pulling up my insurance right now.
Okay, perfect. Well, I had to do 103 to catch up to you from Piccadilly and all the way up to Buckley's before I caught up to you.
Did you clock me on radar? Or?
No.
Oh, so you didn't clock me?
No.
You just caught up to me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand.
Visually, I estimated the speed around like 65. Okay.
Colorado does allow its deputies to issue speeding tickets based on their personal observation alone. However, without the use of speed measurement devices and relying solely on the deputy's claim that he sped 2.5 times over the speed limit in the absence of an emergency to catch another driver, it would be very difficult for the officer to prove the violation in court.
100 to catch up to him. And he says, I don't answer questions. Flying past, I was heading eastbound, he was heading westbound, flipped around, and I was almost to Liverpool, like Piccadilly area. So I turn around, try to catch up to him, I'm like doing like 106. Trying to catch up to him. I don't catch up to him until like Buckley, and he's like weaving around traffic and shit.
Is apparent soon.
They're recording on their cell phones right now. They're recording on the cell phones right now. So you know. Your documents back? Like I said, I visually estimated you at 65 and a 45.
Visually estimated you?
Yeah, when I was going westbound, or eastbound, you were going westbound, you flew past me.
And you didn't clock me with any sort of radar?
No,
or any sort of
it was visual, but you were definitely going
When is the
too
last
fast.
time that your eyes have been calibrated?
It doesn't matter. Well, my eyes.
TRCU displayed USV Sowards on screen, and the text is correct. The court held that law enforcement must rely more than their subjective judgment in situations where precise measurements like speed are at issue. The court.
When is the last time that your eyes have been calibrated?
It doesn't matter. Well, my eyes. I've been trained.
You've been trained?
Yeah.
Okay.
To visually
I'm
estimate.
gonna go to court for this.
That's fine.
Fight it.
So I'm citing you for speeding 20 plus in a 45, okay, and reckless driving because there's other cars that you're driving past, weaving in and around traffic.
Weaving in and around the traffic.
Yep.
Okay. I have a dash cam, by the way.
That's fine.
That records my speed.
So you should have seen that other car that you cut off right before you went to the light when I finally caught up to you.
I didn't cut them off. I had plenty of space.
Okay, that's fine. Either way, your court date is going to be Monday, October 7th, 2024 at 2 p.m. I will be there. Arapahoe County Combined Court. It's down there. There's the address right there. All right, I just need a signature from you right here saying that you'll show up to court.
Not an admission of guilt?
Nope.
No problem. Right here?
Yep.
There's my signature autograph.
Perfect. Here's your citation.
No problem.
Drive safe.
Business card?
Hey, my name's on there.
I can't get your business card. Can I get yours, sir?
Drive safe.
Can I get your business card?
All my information is on my...
I want your business card. It's professional for you to just give me your business card. Is that too much to ask for? The stop's over, so can I just get your business card? That's all I want.
Why are you getting out of your vehicle right now?
Huh? I didn't hear what you said.
You need to step back in your vehicle.
The traffic stop's over.
Correct.
So can I get your business card?
And you're over here with a firearm flashing right at me.
I'm okay.
Get back in.
It's open carry illegal. It's not.
Get back in your car.
Or it's what?
Have a good day.
I need your business card.
My information is on the citation that I gave you.
Because I'm going to request all this, the video evidence for your body cam, and I want to request all this information.
Okay? You can get all that.
I want your business card. There you go. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's what you have to do. Can I get yours? I understand, but I like the business card just so I can give it to my lawyer. It's not the first time I've been to this. Don't be scared of firearms, bro. It's the second
I'm not afraid of firearms.
I see your memorial band.
Yeah.
Marine Corps.
Marine Corps.
Thank you for your service. That's all you have to do.
Okay. Have a good day. Drive safe.
Traffic stop's over. I'm free to go, right?
Go. Yeah. Go.
Now,
I trust me. I don't like being recorded when I'm out handling my business on my day-to-day either. But from a law standpoint, he's not doing anything illegal. He's not like intentionally going about and disturbing your day, like getting in your face, messing up your work while you're doing it or anything like that. So he has the legal right to be here and record if he would like.
And if the patrons don't want to be recorded, that's okay too.
If they tell him
They're in a
don't
public
record,
area.
but if they tell him don't record me, then he needs to move away from them. Yes.
No. He can.
They're in public, man, but I would commit to you that my intention here is not to get in anybody's face or record anybody that doesn't want to be recorded. You know, you came up to me, everybody came up to me. If a patron of the library, you're a public servant, but if a patron of the library said, hey, I don't want to be recorded, I'm not just going to sit there and record them. That's not what I'm here. I'm here investigating the village of Dalton. As you know, there's a lot of controversy with the village of Dalton. Hey, sir, I just didn't get your name and badge number, if I may. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
From a law standpoint, we can ask him if he would be willing to leave, but we can't make him leave or anything like that. Alright?
Okay. All right.
Again, ma'am, I'm not trying to start any problems. Yeah, I'm not going to be here all day, sir.
What up, YouTube family? Welcome to From Indicted to Invited. Go ahead and hit that like button. Man, today, man, this is probably the most important video I ever made, man. I need everybody, if y'all don't watch these videos, just put First Amendment audit or auditors in the search and watch these videos. If you don't know your rights in public areas, you know, DMVs, state-owned buildings, federal facilities, you know what I mean? They always got their policies up there on the wall, but policies don't trump law. You know what I'm saying? They always say you can't record. It's usually restricted areas or whatever. When you see those signs up there, they're not supported by statute. It's just a policy. You know what I'm saying? And it's been a lot of instances when you watch these videos, some of these First Amendment auditors, they make people change their policy and take these signs and stuff down. All you people who've been violated, been pulled up by the law and showing your ID for no reason, because they good for that. Let me see your ID. Let me everything walking down the street. Let me see your ID. You know what I mean? You let them run your name, they just searching and all of that. They cop-splain everything and shit to try to trick you into giving up your rights. Cop-splain is when cops start talking gibberish and lying. So it's called cop-splaining. So, and most of these other places like, you know, you see somebody doing a traffic stop, it used to be within 10 feet, you can record them, because you can record anybody, and as long as they're in the public. There's no right to privacy in public. And you got a lot of people that works in these, you know, they got these government jobs and these state jobs and stuff. They be, you know, they carry themselves like they, you know, they just employed. They don't even know the law. Oh, you can't record in here. You can't do that in here and all of that because they don't know. But a lot of those people that work those jobs as well is on a high horse because they got them kind of jobs. You know what I'm saying? They think because they work for the government that just give them some kind of authority over everybody else. You know what I mean? So knowing your rights is very important. I'm not going to talk a lot about it on this video, but you can save your ass by knowing your rights. Everybody knows if you're on the passenger side of a car and the driver get pulled over, you don't have to ID. You know what I'm saying? So know your rights, know what's going on. There's a lot of states that are not stopping ID states. Know what state you're in. And just watch these videos and learn some stuff. You know what I mean? There's First Amendment auditors almost in every state. You just find out the ones in yours. And watch their videos. And they let you know everything. You know, there's all kind of videos of things that happen in your state. You know what I mean? So what I mean by this video being very important to me because there's a lot of people, man, jammed up. Hey, if you're out there doing stuff you ain't supposed to be doing, at least know your rights. You know what I'm saying? Instead of, you know, fleeing or whatever, man, they can't, you know, just stand up and know your rights. You know what I mean? And I appreciate y'all, man. And, I hope this video helped the masses. I know a lot of my people watch these videos, but a lot of people don't watch these videos. So know your rights and know what's going on. This is from indicted to invited.
You committed no crime. You ain't got to give him your ID. You committed no crime. What are you IDing him for, officer? I don't have to step back. No, I don't have to step back. Is that a lawful order? Is that a lawful order? Is that a law? So, sir, he just violated your Fourth Amendment rights. Do you know that? Unless you've committed a crime, 3428-5-3.5 says in the state of Indiana, you do not have to ID unless you committed a crime. He just ID'd you for no reason. You have a civil lawsuit against him right now. Idiot. Get your ID back from him. Yeah, thought twice about it, didn't you? Clown.
You're good. I get that.
He didn't even run it because he knows I'm right. Anytime you deal with them, you film them. And if you did not commit a crime, and they can't tell you committed a crime, he has no right. He didn't even run your ID. As soon as I started spouting off statutes to him, he quit.
Not good. We're approached and confronted by a female employee here who refused to identify herself, saying that it's illegal to take photos in a government building, in a federal building. I'm getting sick and tired of hearing that. It is not illegal to take pictures and videos in a federal building. Period. It's not illegal. There is nothing wrong with exercising your First Amendment right in a public building. It's actually a constitutionally protected activity.
Watching the men work for some time, Officer McCabe asks the men to identify themselves. But for what? Nobody knows.
Alright, take a break for me real fast, and y'all have driver's license or IDs on you?
I ain't gonna submit to no ID. Listen, you call the lady right now. Listen, I ain't got time for this. If all word, I don't mean to be rude or nothing.
Okay, no, you do need to give me your ID or driver's license.
Listen, I don't want you to run me and for nothing.
Are you refusing to give me your ID or driver's license?
I'm telling you, if you call this lady on this
Step
car.
over that one.
Come on, man. See, y'all, here's y'all playing. You're playing right now.
Judge Wilson wrote that it has been clearly established for decades that police are free to ask any question that they want, but the public is free to ignore them, and that no one was able to identify any law that required the public to carry a physical ID card. With that, the judges found that the officers were not entitled to qualified immunity and sent the case back to the district court, where after a 2-day trial in October of 2024, U.S. District Judge Lyles Burke ruled that Krista McCabe and Cameron Perlot falsely arrested Edgar. A jury awarded him a total of $77,000. But officers Krista McCabe and Cameron Perlot did not have to pay Roland, even after being stripped of their qualified immunity. Instead, the city of Huntsville indemnified the officers and elected to force their constituents to pay Edgar out of their taxes for the officers' criminal acts. Previously, the department said that they were disappointed in the appellate court's decision to remove qualified immunity, as if the officers did anything other than show a repellent of American values.
Let's get you guys a tour of the station, yo. Gonna be in some trouble.
So what's that?
So, man. Let's go, man.
Y'all gonna be famous?
Look at this, yo. My man knocked out. You woke, baby? You woke now? You woke, pimp? You sleeping on camera, yo. You're live on TV, baby. You're live on the internet, baby. Yeah, my man was knocked out at the desk, yo.